Okay, good morning guys. Nasi pinia vlog bang la pulayo. Nona bang nitum Guwahati situ Oyo Urban House Hotel long situ yo. Non ladak nitum Barpo Airport. Airport along pen konama dami ni nang thandupo. I'll let you know. So let's get ready for this vlog. All set, now ready to go. Okay guys, non bang lasini tum daga non Guwahati pen Barpo airport lasi nituma cab ta bang leyo lasi non bang tum chatapo direct to airport. See you there. Cap arlos dulu ya, cap penon airport pun dampom lo. Oke bang nitum betlang sukan dak Guwahati na le ting hoilo masih vlog bang ke kuri ne dalo. Senona da pensi bang cengong. Oke guys, senon bang ne airport dong dulu ya. Nona bang ne airport arlo lut po. Ada bang boarding pass yan po. Boarding pass and ada PC nang tumpa nang cingki tu po. See you there. Sono, tumisan ma.
Okay. Coba pegang.
Airport land closer again. Yes guys, asalnya ya, nona bang kela si itu yo, check in Thailand security check, boarding pass ang ton dalong Thailand non bang kela si itu, boarding time man chong Hong Kong solo, nona bang dah lulus dulu ya, surgery plan, lasi, tam cuna. Lasi nona bang ke itu malah boarding bang chong Hong Kong lo. Itu pini dami bangke Guwahati to Bangalore. Sita flight chelani. Lasanon bangke Guwahati to Imphal long 1 hour 5 minutes back layover do. La dead pen. Inke Bangalore. Lasi nampak lang kon bompo. Let's see what happen next. Yes guys, lasanon man itu flight alus dulu. Flight bang Indigo sedun on that pen Imphal nam. Lasi modal erok gong thandu. Yes guys, now we are in Imphal and then we'll catch another flight and go to Bengaluru. Let's go! So guys, non bangke Imphal sidulo. Imphal pen non takmen next flight catch support Indigo pen okay Bangalore. Let's go. Yes, nona bang lasi security check kan dambong lo next boarding kan. Okay. Birindo now Imphal to Bangalore. Let's see. Okay, right now we are inside the flight in Indigo. Now we are in Imphal, and now we are going to move to Bangalore. So see you there. Yeah, hey guys. So now we are in Bangalore, and right now I'm inside Uber, and he's the driver. He's going to drop us in a hotel.
Namaste.
Yeah, and then he's a nice guy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay guys, so now I'm inside my hotel room. The hotel is called Hotel Corporate Park Inn. That is near the MS Medical College. So I'll show you the room. So this is our hotel room. 2 bed, and then the TV, and this is the bathroom. I'm pretty tired, so I'm going to rest for like 15-20 minutes. So see you later. Good morning guys. Lasino na bangke asapsu kam duchet ongi dami phan chisiga layo sida nona franga bangke itu breakfast chodam la lasa tumi bange 15 minutes ba rest pulo sida megjang lo kelak ong mat lasino na next day pinia dapan bangsi vlog korean chole lasino na breakfast chodam. Let's go. Yes guys, lasino na itu yo asapsu an chiri lo breakfast chodam. Let's go. Yes guys, there's an unpacked breakfast here. It's complimentary from the hotel. Coffee dough, sambar, chutney, and then that's dosa. So now let's try. Try sinang usun manon dosa bang. Sona. 좋네요.
Tinggal orang mana kalau dia sebelum nama ni. Video call, speaker, apa, video, apa kan ni.
Korea.
Cuma saya lupa ni bang.
Mo bayan te thando tumi molom mene chon de han long narikol jam tu bang tun buat narikol angim tan pipi. Nasi non bang ke narikol angim vi. Nasi la Sarji bang tapi ni bang ning dog hoy la ton. Chono ni. Ben ahan da. Ahan na chono ni. Oh, chutney bang try to lang so ni.
Susu ini.
Kopi don ne exactly chini hai. Kopi don ingredient da. Chini ma.
Sini ni.
Này là exactly ingredient chini hai. Juda dan ma hai. Ta puan lu. Actually kelang breakfast heavy hoy na chuta pan heavy hoy light ho coffee ta gang sam chu bon kasone coffee bang try sana Bueno coffee kaprek dem jun lo cái jun mê ta đúng là anh đây là nàng son là
Xăm hành.
sao hay thì anh là anh sudah suwe cái mua bên tụi mình đồ bota hay là càng xăm bằng đi start quên lúc bán jun mê bị ta chốt được. It's normal breakfast tăng nhiều. Ang ton pangrum rapet po. Starting a day with dosa and then coffee. Well, look. So breakfast is done. Nó là bằng sắp số nitun hong kam do chetlang hong kam cepatang nampo para jongsi apor long blute vlog tu po. Ateke non bang hong sắp số về jang yang ring do song yo si hong ne vlog ne la si jongsi ne mon vlog tu blute na baklang tu po. So bye bye. Good morning guys. Now it is 3:40 a.m. right now, and then we already checked out from the hotel. Now we are moving out from here, and then we'll go to airport. And then for today we'll catch Air India. So let's see what happens next. So Sergi, xong là ticket book được tháp trả hàng rồi đi.
Ticket confirm rồi nó.
Okay,
Cá được nang lên luôn. Kép được nang lên rồi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our car is here. Now we are moving out to the airport. So we are heading out to the airport right now. Okay guys, là sinon bang ke này có xong là Guwahati nang le la yo. Bini Bangalore ben, Kolkata ben Guwahati. Amo something 11:30 ne bini mulam sinai la sinon bang ke ne me thanga ri jing tun da melo ke park adim pe non bang ke ni tum dam bom lo. Heman la si non bang ke Khanapara an la yo. La sinon Khanapara ben pima next ka cheplang na paklang man po. If there is anything to show you. See you. Yes guys, là sinon bang itum Guwahati nang para layo. Non bang highway kung sonobi dhaba long highway city dhaba. Along sinon an choponi ku kang chirong lo. Pero dapen plane along snacks nang pi hong ni sida non ning chir tu duglo sinon da chopon la son ni. Yes guys, thank you for watching. If you find it interesting of this vlog, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe. So until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.